Welcome everyone. This is Know Your Apps, where we here at PSN make sure you have all the info on the latest and greatest Samsung apps for your Samsung Smart TV. I'm your host Karen, and today is the day you become a Netflix app master. Netflix. We all know it and have become uncomfortably addicted to it. And lucky for us, the Netflix app is pre-installed in your Samsung apps. This app lets you search for instant movies, TV shows, music events, mini-series, and more, and all you need is a Netflix account and an internet connection. Let's take a stroll through the setup process. Samsung has tons of ways to connect to Samsung apps, whether it's through a smart Blu-ray player, smart TV with Smart Hub, or with Internet App TV on some TV models. In our case, here we experience Samsung apps through Smart Hub on our Samsung Smart TV. So just press Smart Hub on the old remote, and boom, we're in. You'll notice that Netflix is featured prominently under the recommended section, thank you much, and is preloaded on your Samsung apps. So we're able to scroll down to it and select it by pressing enter on our remote. If you aren't already connected to a wireless network, you'll get a prompt that reminds you to do so. But I'm already connected because I'm awesome, so we'll move on. After you select Netflix, you'll see it's connecting and we're in. Now the first time you select Netflix, you'll have to do a little account management to add your TV to your Netflix account. This is a good time to mention that you must have an unlimited streaming Netflix account, the Netflix app on Samsung apps. Anyway, assuming you do, answer yes to whether you are a member. Then you'll get your one-of-a-kind code. On your computer,